Hey everyone, I'm Jandip Kang and today I'll be having a walkthrough about my Flutter system about a fabrics detection. So as you can see here, we have the home screen of our Flutter with the carousel. Actually, that I got it wrong from sir because it's supposed to be a grid-like view. It was grid-like, but I changed it and I cannot change it back now because I don't have much time left. So to give what this is the Flutter front. We have the history, which as you can see, we also have the analytics about the detection in here. So started we have a select a fabric. So let's start with detection right away because I don't have much time. So if we have to detect the fabric, as you can see here, sorry, I have the camera. Then here's comes the fabric. Actually, my camera is quite blurry for this, and it's supposed to be a linen. Okay, it's supposed to be a linen because this shirt is a linen one. Then let's go to the result. You can confirm the result in there, and we can retake. As you can see, I have here a denim and a quite blurry camera, and oh, that should give us a denim. As you can see, it gives us a denim 99%. And of course, let's add one more, and this is supposed to be a wool. And let's see if it can. Bam! It is a 100% wool. That's quite good. Then we can view our confusion matrix also, and most of the time it is not below 100, so that's good. That's good for me. Okay. Next is, let me see if we just go to the gallery. I don't have any of the remaining fabrics, so I also made sure that this fabrics that I'm using is not included when I use the teachable machine. As you can see, you can confirm result, that was lace. And let's have another one, another retake. And always have been in this one. It's supposed to be a leather. Oh, that's bad, that's bad. Okay, there was a confusion matrix right there. Let's, let's do it again. It's supposed to be. How did this one is chiffon? Okay, it's under 100 right there. I guess there was a confusion in the leather because it's the same as that type of threading in there. And that would be all about my Flutter system. It's just a simple system as was instructed. You have the history here. Actually, I only got one, I believe, that letter right there. Let's check it again. That letter was supposed to be letter. Well, again, it's linen. Okay. I'm so sorry for that. And that's all. That's all about my. So let's head for the questions. Let's do the first one. Can you explain how you train your image classifying model in a teachable machine and what factor influence the character model? So to explain, I have my teachable machine. I gathered a few of photos of each classification and used Python to uh, be able to replicate and duplicate it, making around 350 to 400 photos. So what factors influence accuracy? So I actually used the teachable machine using the 50 epochs first, then tried the 100, tried even higher for that epochs, but actually getting higher and higher was making more the teachable machine uh, making confused yes, it's confused more. So for me, I used at least 300 to 400 photos and 100 epochs to achieve that. So let's have another question. Maybe this one. How did you ensure that the homepage layout remains responsive across different screen sizes? Oh, so that's actually an easy answer. Uh, since since Flutter is tailored and was made to be used by this one by mobile phone or the Androids, I used the I used flexible and an adaptive layout widget. Just by using that flexible and adaptive widget, Flutter already had that to be tailored to be able to adapt and responsive across different screen sizes. So another question. Mm, I guess that. If you were given more time, what features or enhancements would you add to improve this application? So if only there's more time, first that I would do is to fix that carousel. I wasn't able to read the instruction of it's supposed to be a grid. I just read it right now, but I don't have time to change it, so I'm going to submit it now. And I actually use the grid. I changed it to carousel, especially because my report is about carousel, and I just didn't was able to inform about that layout. Again, anyways, I would plan to change the background into more that screams a beauty of fabrics. I would love to have that application be more. It's actually pretty responsive now. Maybe to tailor it to be a more modern, more simpler but striking, striking beauty. The layout of the system, and that system is pretty good though. So there shouldn't be any more that much more enhancement for me. Okay, so I guess that answers the question, and thank you. I'm Janet.